Have you ever wondered why we yawn? It's not just because we're tired. Yawning is actually a way for our bodies to cool down. When we open our mouths wide, we help regulate the temperature of our brain. But that's not all. Yawning is also contagious. Ever see someone yawn and then suddenly you can't stop? That's because our brains are wired to mimic others, a behavior rooted in empathy and social bonding. And here's a fun fact. Scientists believe yawning might even boost brain activity. It's your brain's way of preparing for action. So, next time you catch a yawn, remember, it's not just a sign of tiredness, but a complex process that keeps your mind sharp